Hello everyone, welcome to another series of today's GK. Let's begin with previous day's practice question. Question was Magellan mission to Venus was one of the most successful space missions. It is associated with which of the following space agencies? ISRO, JAXA, NASA or Roscosmos? The correct answer is option C, NASA. According to a recent study, a 2.2 square kilometer volcanic vent on Venus changed shape in 8 months, indicating volcanic activity. A volcanic vent is a spot through which molten rock erupts. NASA's Magellan mission to Venus was one of the most successful deep space missions. It was the first spacecraft to image the entire surface of Venus and made several discoveries about the planet. Magellan burned up about 10 hours after being commanded to plunge into the Venusian atmosphere. Therefore, option C is correct. Venus and Earth are often called sister planets due to similarities in size, mass, density, and volume. Venus is the second planet from the Sun and is Earth's closest planetary neighbor. Now let's begin today's session. First question is, Port Maputo is located in which of the following countries? Mozambique, Madagascar, Croatia, or Egypt? The correct answer is option A, Mozambique. Recently, INS Sujata, a ship based at Southern Naval Command Kochi, visited Port Maputo, Mozambique as a part of overseas deployment. Therefore, option A is correct. The visit by INS Sujata at Maputo, Mozambique further enhanced the mutual cooperation and bilateral ties between the two navies. The great natural harbour of Maputo was discovered by Vasco da Gama in 1498. The port has significant regional potential as an important gateway to South Africa and other regional countries, including Botswana, Swaziland, and Zimbabwe. INS Sujata is an indigenously built offshore patrol vessel. The ship was commissioned in Indian Navy on 3rd November 1993. The ship is designed to undertake coastal and offshore patrolling, surveillance missions, monitoring of sea lines of communication, and escort duties. Next question is, with reference to the World Happiness Report 2023, consider the following statements. 1. It is a publication of the Sustainable Development Solutions Network. 2. India was ranked 126 of the 137 countries on the list. Which of the statement or statements given above is or are not correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is option D, neither 1 nor 2. Recently, the World Happiness Report has been released by United Nations sponsored Sustainable Development Solutions Network. Hence, statement 1 is correct. Finland was named the world's happiest country. India was ranked 126 of the 137 countries on the list. Hence, statement 2 is correct. Therefore, option D is correct. Last year, India was ranked 136. The World Happiness Report was first published in 2012. It is based on people's own assessment of their happiness as well as economic and social data. The report considers 6 key factors: social support, income, health, freedom, generosity, and absence of corruption. Next question is, which of the following is not correct regarding the National Security Act or NSA? It was passed by the Parliament in 1980. It has not been amended so far. It empowers the state to detain a person without a formal charge and without trial, or it can be invoked to prevent a person from acting in any manner prejudicial to the defense of India. The correct answer is option B. It has not been amended so far. Recently, the National Security Act has been invoked against Amritpal Singh. The National Security Act was passed by Parliament in 1980 and has been amended several times since then. It empowers the state to detain a person without a formal charge and without trial. It can be invoked to prevent a person from acting in any manner prejudicial to the defense of India, relations of India with foreign powers, or the security of India. An individual can be detained without a charge for a maximum period of 12 months. Therefore, option B is correct. The protection available under the Act, the Indian Constitution allows both preventive detention and the right of protection against arrest and detention in certain cases enshrined under Article 22 of the Constitution. However, Article 22(3) provides that the rights available to an arrested person will not be applicable in case of preventive detention, thus an exception is carved out. One crucial procedural safeguard under the NSA is granted under Article 22(5), where all the detained persons have the right to make an effective representation before an independent advisory board. The board consists of 3 members and the board is chaired by a member who is or has been a judge of a high court. Next question is, the Bar Council of India was established under which of the following acts? The Legal Services Authorities Act 1987, the Advocates Act 1961, Contempt of Courts Act 1971 or Indian High Courts Act 1861. The correct answer is option B, the Advocates Act 1961. Recently, the Bar Council of India has allowed foreign lawyers and law firms to practice law in India on a reciprocity basis. A foreign lawyer registered under rules shall be entitled to practice law in India in non-litigious matters only. BCI is a statutory body created by Parliament to regulate and represent the Indian bar. It was established by Parliament under the Advocates Act 1961. Therefore, option B is correct. The functions of the BCI are to lay down standards of professional conduct and etiquette for advocates, to safeguard the rights, privileges and interests of advocates, to promote and support law reform, and to promote legal education and to lay down standards of legal education. Next question is, consider the following statements regarding the Mahanadi River. 1. The catchment area of the river extends to Chhattisgarh and Odisha only. 2. Hirakud Dam is built on the Mahanadi River. Which of the statement or statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is option B, 2 only. The Mahanadi river system is the third largest of peninsular India after Godavari and Krishna. It is the largest river of Odisha state. The Sionath, the Hasdeo, the Mand and the 1B joins Mahanadi from left, whereas the ONG, the tail and the Jong joins it from the right. The catchment area of the river extends to Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Jharkhand and Maharashtra. Hence, statement 1 is not correct. Its basin is bounded by the central India hills on the north, by the eastern Ghats on the south and east, and by the Maikala range in the west. Hirakud Dam is built across the Mahanadi River in the state of Odisha. It is the longest earthen dam of the world. Hence, statement 2 is correct. Therefore, option B is correct. Next question is, which among the following is the only floating park in the world? Kibul Lamjaur National Park, Indravati National Park, Sanjay National Park or Dudhwa National Park? The correct answer is option A, Kibul Lamjau National Park. Recently, Union Minister of Forest, Environment and Climate Change advised the Manipur government to take up necessary steps for the conservation and protection of Loktak Lake and Kibul Lamjau National Park. Kibul Lamjau National Park is located in the southwestern part of Loktak Lake. This is the last natural habitat of the Bro antlered red deer Sangai, the dancing deer of Manipur. Other wildlife such as hawk deer, otter, a host of waterfowls and migratory birds can be seen in this park. It is the only floating park in the world. Therefore, option A is correct. Next question is, 10-point Biratnagar Declaration was recently in news. It is related to India and Nepal, India and Sri Lanka, India and Bangladesh or India and Bhutan. The correct answer is option A, India and Nepal. Recently, the 3-day Nepal-India Literature Festival concluded with the adoption of a 10-point Biratnagar Declaration. As many as 350 literary writers representing all 7 provinces of Nepal and the majority states of India participated in the festival. Therefore, option A is correct. The declaration highlights the mutual promotion of literature between Nepal and India. The declaration includes translating Nepali literature into Hindi and Hindi into Nepali for mutual promotion. Next question is, Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, that is IPCC, was established in which of the following year? 1980, 1984, 1988 or 1992? The correct answer is option C, 1988. Recently, India welcomed the synthesis report of the 6th assessment report of the IPCC. The report endorses the India's call for equity and climate justice. The IPCC said keeping warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial level requires deep, rapid and sustained greenhouse gas emissions reductions in all sectors. IPCC was created in 1988 by the World Meteorological Organization and the United Nations Environment Programme. The objective of the IPCC is to provide governments at all levels with scientific information that they can use to develop climate policies. IPCC reports are also a key input into international climate change negotiations. Therefore, option C is correct. Next question is with reference to the International Monetary Fund, consider the following statements. 1. The day-to-day work of the IMF is overseen by its 24-member executive board. 2. David R. Malpass is the current managing director and chairman of the executive board of the IMF. Which of the statement or statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is option A, 1 only. Recently, the Executive Board of the International Monetary Fund has approved Sri Lanka's bailout program under an extended fund facility. The IMF was established in 1944 in the aftermath of the Great Depression of the 1930s. 44 founding member countries sought to build a framework for international economic cooperation. The IMF is governed by and accountable to those 190 countries that make up its near global membership. The day-to-day work of the IMF is overseen by its 24-member executive board. Hence, statement 1 is correct. Kristalina Georgieva is the current managing director and chairman of the executive board of the IMF. Hence, statement 2 is not correct. Therefore, option A is correct. Last question is which among the following states has the largest forest cover in the country area-wise? Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha or Maharashtra? The correct answer is option A, Madhya Pradesh. Recently, the Minister of State for Environment, Forest and Climate Change has given the information regarding the India State of Forest Report ISFR 2011 and 2021. Last year, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change released the India State of Forest Report 2021. It was the 17th biennial assessment of India's forest by the Forest Survey of India. The report provides information on forest cover, tree cover, mangrove cover, growing stock, carbon stock in India's forest fire monitoring. The major findings of the report were the total forest and tree cover of the country is 80.9 million hectares, which is 24.62% of the geographical area of the country. As compared to the assessment of 2019, there is an increase of 2,261 square kilometer in the total forest and tree cover of the country. Area-wise, Madhya Pradesh has the largest forest cover in the country, followed by Arunachal Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and Maharashtra. Therefore, option A is correct. In terms of forest cover as percentage of total geographical area, the top 5 states are Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Manipur and Nagaland. Now it's time for the practice question. World Down Syndrome Day or WDSD is observed every year on 21st March. The theme for World Down Syndrome Day 2023 is With Us, Not For Us, Inclusive Matters, We Decide or Health Matters. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching.